To install custom indicator on MT4 Android app. Hello trader, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will tell you one big story. Why? Because there is only one way, like I said, only one way to install custom indicator on MT4 Android app. And of course it's not hacking. Why I'm talking about this? Okay, stop. First, I will tell you just right in the beginning what we're talking about this video. If you don't like, please skip this video. So, you have Android app, of course, and you can connect from your desktop to remote desktop connection. You can use the virtual private server, and on the virtual private server you can install desktop MetaTrader 4 platform. There you can add custom indicators without any kind of problem. After that, you can connect your Android app with remote desktop app, and then you can access to a virtual private server and watch, trade, and use custom indicators without any problem. So this is the whole story. This is what I want to present in this video. If you don't like this approach, please skip this video and big sorry. And now I will continue to explain everything step by step. But before that, I want to tell you one big truth and apologize for that. So 1 year ago, I created a video how to install custom indicator MT4 Android app. That video is live, you can access again. In that video I just said, people, you cannot edit apps, you cannot add custom indicators, but you can do this. And I provided one little bit hack, and that hack is some kind of not legal. And because of that, I couldn't put that video too much. I had problems, and after a couple days, what I did, I went to my YouTube channel and I cut all that hack, and all video was very short, 6 minutes I think. In that 6 minutes I just explained people why adding custom indicators is impossible, and only hacking can change something. And this was the whole story. However, users do not know whole story, and users were very angry on me, and it was natural because I created video how to add custom indicator, and I didn't say answer, just I said you cannot do that, and the problem was solved very soon. Apple just banned MetaTrader, and MetaTrader had the problems because a lot of hacking methods that was possible in the past. However, these titles are not true anymore. You can find MetaTrader on an Apple Store, on Android, Google Store. You can find anywhere because MetaTrader platform has some improvements in safety, and people cannot edit anymore MetaTrader 4 platform, neither MetaTrader 5 platform. So any kind of hacking problems you cannot do anymore. So adding custom indicators on the app is impossible, but I will show you the system that you can do if you really want to access to your charts and trading account using Android app. So let me start from the beginning. First, you need to find a virtual private server. Virtual private server is usually free if you have a broker, and your broker will provide you. For example, I will provide you a lot of links below this video, so you can go and use virtual private servers from several brokers if you want. And this is it. As you know, brokerage companies use a virtual private service. If you don't want to use a virtual private service from your brokerage company, you can just go on the internet and buy for $5 or $10. You can buy a virtual private server for a whole month. If you want that, you can do that. You can get for free if you're a real trader, so there's no problem with that. The second thing is what you can do. You go to your desktop computer, and in the just bottom left you have a type here to search. You can type two things. The first thing is MSTSC, or you can put remote desktop. Whatever you choose, you will get something like this: remote desktop connection. So you will get app to connect your desktop with virtual private server. So what is the catch? When you buy virtual private server, or when you get for free from your brokerage company, you will get two things: computer and username. Computer is a usually IP address, or if not IP, it's a some some words like this, computer.somedomain.com, something like that. And the username will usually be administrator or admin or something. You will get that from your brokerage company or from the hosting company that provide you VPS. When you do that, you will see something like this. This is your real desktop, and now you have another desktop. You have another window, and in that window is a new computer, just like yours. You have icons, you can install apps, you can surf, you can do anything what you like. Of course, what you can do, you can go in a new computer on a virtual private server and install MetaTrader app. How to install MetaTrader? Very simple. You go to a brokerage company, everything is the same as at your desktop PC. You find a broker, download MT4, you install MT4, log in using username and password, everything as same as on your desktop. When you do that, in the next step you need to add custom indicator. As you know, you go to MT4 platform, you click on open data folder. When you do that, you go to the indicators section. In indicators section, you put your indicators that you have, your custom indicators, and then you refresh your MetaTrader platform, and this is it. So on the end of this process, what we have a virtual private server. On that virtual private server, we have one installed MetaTrader 4 platform with custom indicators. So we did the job. The first step is finished. You have a MetaTrader platform with customers. Now what you do, you go to your Android platform, you go to your cell phone. On your cell phone, you go to the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, you just search for remote desktop. This is the icon like you see on the screen right now, and you just install the app. So it looks like this, remote desktop, you accept, you just put the same exactly username and password like you got from your virtual private server company, and you put the VPS login and the username, and this is it. You will be in that moment, you can connect your Android app with virtual private server. On the virtual private server, you will see MetaTrader 4 platform 24 hours per day is open. You can just go there, click, and you can just use the new desktop on your Android app. And you can use it, put a lot of applications that you like there without any kind of a problem. So on the end, you can add your custom indicators using the desktop MetaTrader 4 platform. So this is the only solution. I repeat, this is the only solution. If you want to add custom indicator, you need to use desktop MetaTrader platform. On the app, you cannot touch anything. And this is the whole story. I'm sorry for all users. I know that you're angry on me because of this video a year ago, but right now I try to correct that. I put a new video. Please watch there. I will just put the link from the previous video to the new video, and tomorrow I will create this video only for iPhone apps, and I hope it will be very similar. You already know the whole procedure if you watch this video. So this is the whole story. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.